Okay, so what we have is we have the lateral proximal femur. We have Paige on the table here. So what we've done is we've already checked and verified her name, date of birth, whether or not she's pregnant. We provide shielding for her as much as possible. And then what we're going to do after that is we're going to have her make sure she's undressed from the waist down, make sure she doesn't have any jewelry, any piercings, anything like that going on. We'll get ahead and get her set up in gown and covered. We'll have her lay on spine on the table. What we're going to do is we're going to get the light to be at above the ACEs. Our technical factor is going to be 75 kVp with 20 mass. The tube detented at 40 inches from the tabletop bucky. We're going to go ahead and have her, as she's laying there supine, what we'll do is we will have her bring up her knee. So we'll bring it up from there, 45 degrees, and lay that over as such. Okay, and what we're doing right here is we want to make sure that we have the hip in the picture. We want to have the femur in a lateral position. And so that's how we're getting that frog leg. When we do that, we'll center here, right along the midline of the femur. We're going to mark with that right side right down here. We want to bring that down on the lower end, because when we go ahead and get that distal portion of the femur, we want to make sure that our film overlaps. So once we've got that, we've got our optimal images. We want to make sure that all the anatomy, we're looking at the top 2/3 of the femur, and we're making sure we get the hip in there, and that our light is throughout the hip and get all that captured in. So that's the cerebellum and the hip. We've got this at a 14 by 17 image here, collimated down into that femur. There we go.